Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to Creepy Crafty Days here on my channel where I'm sharing 31 days of videos all month long. Today's video is inspired by my friend Sabrina Ann, and I will leave a link to her channel down below because you guys, she has a couple of challenges going on this month and I love a good challenge. Hers are always super fun and she has some really great sponsors, so crossing my fingers that I can maybe win one of her prizes. But the challenge that I'm participating in today, that this video is a response to, is her MEMORYDEX challenge. So I believe the theme was you can make a MEMORYDEX card that was like 4x4, that was either villain themed or like scary monster themed. So because this is Sunday, and we all know by now during Creepy Crafty Days that Sundays are Scary Hairy Halloween Sundays. So today I am using the Dementors as my creepy scary monster. I figure it counts. They're pretty horrific and they're kind of monstrous, so that's what we're going with today. So here I'm just adding the little like hole punch areas for the MEMORYDEX to hang on to the bars in like the little box thing or whatever, however they go. And then I'm going to add a tab on the top using my envelope punch board. So this was really simple. I just cut down a piece of black cardstock that was 4 inches by 8, used some adhesive, folded it in half, punched my holes, snipped the little snippy bits, and then again use the punch board to make the tab and then cut off the excess. Here I'm going to go ahead and corner round all of the corners so that the MEMORYDEX card, I don't know, looks a little bit cuter, and I just kind of cleaning things up a little bit with my scissors to make things look a little bit nicer, a little bit more polished. And then it's time to start decorating this card. So like I said, I am using the Dementor as my inspiration for this monster MEMORYDEX challenge card. This little Dementor is actually from my Scary Hairy Halloween collection, which is on sale right now for 25% off. I'm not sure when I will take it off of sale, but if you're interested in purchasing the digital collection for yourself, again, I will leave a link down below. Super cute. You get a bunch of papers, a bunch of journaling cards, and a couple of element sheets, which include the Dementor that you see there, and then this really fun black and white pattern paper, which is one of my favorites from the whole collection. It too has Dementors on it, so I thought that'd be perfect, and I love the black and white spookiness, so the color kind of situation for this card is black, white, and purple. I thought that'd be really fun, kind of spooky looking. So yeah, so I just trimmed down this little card so that it would be a little bit smaller than the like open space of the MEMORYDEX. That way the black kind of background was kind of like a border for it. And then I'm going to use this glittery spider web sticker. It's from Michael's. It came in a pack of a whole bunch of different kind of die cut glittery stickers. So I'm just going to use this kind of as an additional texture slash background element, and then I'm going to snip off the excess right here. And then it's time to apply Mr. Dementor to the front of this card. So I'm using the Tombow Extreme adhesive throughout this project. It's one of my favorites. It has really, really strong hold, and I know that it will hold anything pretty much to glitter paper, so that's partly why I love it. And then I'm going to use my little Dymo label maker thing here to spell out Expecto Patronum. I know it's super blurry right now. I did not realize that I was out of focus at this point, so my apologies, but I just put some more adhesive on the back of that little label situation, added some washi tape, a glittery bat, and then some gemmies, and here you can see the whole thing. I'm really sorry that was out of focus. I did want to decorate the back just a little bit because I want to write a little note on there to Sabrina, so I'm just layering on some more washi, another little die cut from the Scary Hairy collection, and this is the finished card. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye! Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you loved it. If you missed yesterday's, you can click up here. If you want to join in all the fun crafty shenanigans happening over in the Crafty Club this month, you can click right here. And if you want to subscribe, which I really hope you do, thank you so much in advance, you can click right here, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye!